StormDamage.com is home of your trusted restoration contractors. No one should have to hire an attorney to figure out their claim damage. Your insurance company wants your claim settled quickly. Trusted restoration contractors get the job done. Here's how they do it. In an instant, the storm hit, everything changed, and your life is upside down. If your home or building has been damaged by a devastating hurricane, tornado, or hailstorm, it's obvious you have to file a claim with your insurance company. You have a storm-damaged insurance claim. Who are the best contractors for the job? How do you keep from getting ripped off by unscrupulous contractors and insurance companies? You know it can be complicated, and you don't want to shortchange contractors or intentionally try to rip off your insurance company. Fact: your insurance company pays $2,000 to $3,000 for a professional Xactimate damage estimate. They have to. It's the only honest way to figure the legitimate unit costs and labor. Good news, homeowners, independent insurance restoration contractors use the same insurance tool Xactimate and combine Xactimate with decades of construction experience to outperform the adjuster's estimates, ensuring you get fairly compensated. These Xactimate estimates are expensive but often double and triple claim estimates. Never forget, free estimates are inferior, and insurance companies don't pay them because they are not detailed line item like Xactimate. So, free estimates do not work for insurance claims. What's next? What do you do? G. What is the range of reasonable fees for independent insurance restoration contractors to charge for Xactimate estimates on a typical hurricane, tornado, or hailstorm claim? The range of fees that independent insurance restoration contractors may charge for providing Xactimate estimates and consulting on hurricane, tornado, or hailstorm claims can vary depending on several factors. These factors include the scope and complexity of the project, the specific requirements of the insurance company. Here are some fee examples. 1. Flat fee. Some independent insurance restoration contractors may charge a flat fee for providing Xactimate estimates on storm claims. This fee can range from a few $100s to a few $1,000s, depending on the size and complexity of the project. 2. Percentage of estimate. Another approach is for independent insurance restoration contractors to charge a percentage of the estimated cost. This percentage can range from around 1% to 10% of the total estimate. For example, if the estimated cost is $10,000, the fee might be between $100 and $1,000, depending on the agreed-upon percentage. 3. Hourly rate. Some independent insurance restoration contractors may charge an hourly rate for their services. Hourly rates can vary significantly depending on the contractor's expertise, location, and market conditions. Rates can range anywhere from $50 to $200 per hour or more. The best way to determine the specific fees for Xactimate estimates on storm claims is to consult with Contractor. You're on your way to winning the estimating battle with your insurance company by matching review and estimating skills with their high-paid professionals. The insurance adjuster might be lowballing your claim, and the typical contractors can't even write a professional line item estimate in Word, Excel, or the insurance claim estimating software Xactimate. How can you protect your property, get your claim settled reasonably, and not make everyone angry? Here's the formula for storm-damaged success. You hire a professional independent insurance restoration contractor. Exactly who and what is an independent insurance restoration contractor? Independent insurance restoration contractors, also known as IIRCs, are professional service providers that specialize in property damage estimating with Xactimate, restoring, and rebuilding properties damaged by insurable events such as fire, water, or weather-related events. They always work closely with property owners, insurance companies, and other stakeholders to ensure a prompt and efficient restoration process. Can the independent insurance restoration contractor dispute the insurance company's adjuster estimate, and do it without getting me in trouble? Yes. An independent insurance restoration contractor can dispute the insurance company's adjuster estimate. It is not uncommon for there to be disagreements or discrepancies between the estimates provided by the insurance company's adjuster and the independent insurance restoration contractor. The independent insurance restoration contractor can review the adjuster's estimate, identify any inaccuracies or missing items, and present a detailed and comprehensive estimate that reflects the true scope of the damages. To dispute the adjuster's estimate without getting you in trouble, the independent insurance restoration contractor will typically follow a professional and collaborative process. They may communicate directly with the insurance company, providing documentation, photographs, and detailed explanations supporting their revised estimate. They will also advocate for you, the property owner, by highlighting any discrepancies and ensuring that the restoration work is carried out properly and within the appropriate coverage limits. The goal of the independent insurance restoration contractor is to work in the best interests of both you and the insurance company to achieve a fair and accurate estimate that covers all necessary repairs and restoration. It is important to have open and transparent communication between the independent insurance restoration contractor, the insurance company, and all involved parties to resolve any disputes amicably and without causing any trouble for you. The key to successful claims resolution is always who can write, explain, and justify the best estimate, and those estimates are not free. It's common sense. Whoever produces the best estimate wins the day. If your claim is so disputed and complicated that it requires an attorney and/or public insurance adjuster's involvement, it will be because of policy and coverage language. StormDamage.com is backed up by the best public adjusters and attorneys in the industry, and our clients receive preferred discounts.